What's stopping a giant plane from just rolling down the runway forever? Here's how takeoff really works. First, the pilots push the throttles forward. The engines roar, blasting air backwards. Hello, Newton's third law. Thrust pushes the plane down the runway, picking up speed fast. Next, those wings start working their magic. As the plane speeds up, air flows faster over the curved top and slower underneath. That pressure difference creates lift, enough to overcome gravity. At a critical speed, called V1, the pilots commit to flying. A little pull on the control column, the nose rises, and bingo. The lift beats gravity and the wheels leave the ground. In seconds, you're airborne, climbing skyward. So next time you fly, remember, it's not magic, it's pure science and a bit of engineering genius. Stay curious, because the world's cooler when you know how it works.